Kia ora friends, this is Roshan from Sing Love Strum and
Tui from Fiji.
Love Strum. We're going to play through you Purea, a Maori Waiata by Dr. Hedini Melbourne. I love this Waiata and have used this song to farewell loved ones who have passed. The last time I used it was at a commemoration for the mosque shooting, and when words cannot express what is going on in our hearts, music can, and this is one song that I think can convey that. Look at the meaning of the words and you'll know what I mean. In Māoridom, we often have times of sharing. We get together for specific purposes and we share what's on our hearts and in our spirits. And to close our time of talking or sharing, we often sing a waiata or a song. And that's usually done in support with our family or friends or whoever we come with. So this is a waiata that can be learnt for that purpose. If you are going to a funeral or you're going to remember those who have passed, this song is something that you can learn and put to practical use. So get learning. This strum pattern is down, 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 up. It sounds like this on C. Toru, ba. And we'll start the song with 4 of those and then start singing. Okay. Toru, ba.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. I don't know about you, I'm a little bit weird, but when I sing songs like this, often people, loved ones have come to mind or come into my consciousness. So I play it not to perform, but I play it and sing it to remember, and it makes me feel that these people are close. So you do that with that what you will, but I hope that it has, I don't know, given a bit of sing love joy into your day.